In this mobile tutorial video, I'll show you how to create an ACI eManifest with a consolidated shipment using BorderConnect on a mobile device. A consolidated shipment allows for the release of separate shipments being grouped together under a single cargo control document by either a consolidator or freight forwarder. In this scenario, a freight forwarder would send e-house bills to CBSA after the shipment crosses the border into Canada, and in most cases, inbound to a sufferance warehouse. The shipments would later be deconsolidated and released before leaving the sufferance warehouse. So now let's get started. Once you're logged in, tap the menu icon, then tap ACI eManifests and select Start New ACI eManifest. After you enter all your trip information, go to the bottom and tap Save and Start New ACI Shipment. Since there's a consolidated shipment that needs to be created, tap Save and Start New ACI Shipment. And to learn how to enter ACI trip information, tap the link at the top of the video now. Starting from the top, enable Show All. Then select your shipment type. And if the consolidated shipment will be clearing at the first port of entry, you can leave the shipment type as a PARS. But if the shipment's being released inland at a sufferance warehouse, then select Inbound as the shipment type, as in most cases, consolidated freight will be traveling inbound. Next, enter your cargo control number. And if you're hauling another carrier shipment, just tap the carrier code to change it. Below, since this isn't in bond, you'll have to enter the sublocation code. So enter the sublocation code of the bonded warehouse that the shipment is destined to. If this is a PARS, however, you'll need to enter a generic sublocation code for the port of entry. And you can do this by typing 9 and then the port code of the port of entry. For example, if the port of entry is Windsor 453, you'll want to use 9453. Now enter the shipper and consignee details of the shipment. You can look up the shipper or consignee by entering the first few characters of the name or the address. Next, scroll down and where the consolidated freight indicator is, change that to Yes. We're now ready to move on to the commodities on the shipment, so tap Save and add commodity. Here, enter your description of goods, quantity, and weight. And because the shipment is consolidated, you can use a generic description of goods if you don't have detailed information on the commodity. Then, go to the bottom and tap Save and back to ACI eManifest, and then select Save and back to ACI eManifest. If you had additional shipments to add here, you'd tap Save and Start New ACI Shipment. However, in this tutorial, it's only the consolidated shipment that'll be created. So, tap Save and back to ACI eManifest. Here, you can see all the information you entered for the eManifest at a glance as you scroll down the page. And if any additional information needs to be added or changed, you can do it here. We're now ready to get our eManifest on file with CBSA. So at the top, tap Sync with CBSA, where your manifest status will be changed to 2 yellow bars, transmitted. And after approximately 2 to 3 minutes, CBSA should accept your manifest, and the status will then move to 3 blue bars, on file with CBSA. And when the freight forwarder files the ACI house bill close messages, your eManifest will then move to 3 light blue colored bars, on file with match notice, and provide the ACI house bill close messages on your ACI shipment history details. And also, since this is a consolidated shipment, the customs broker entry will be filed with the freight forwarder's cargo control number. This means no release message will be provided once the driver crosses into Canada, and the status will stay at 5 dark green bars, arrived. Congratulations! You've successfully created an ACI eManifest with a consolidated shipment using BorderConnect on a mobile device. This type of trip and shipment is usually completed within about a minute or two. And it's important to note that once the shipments are deconsolidated after arriving at the release office, you can easily track those messages with D4 ACI notices in BorderConnect. To learn how to track your ACI notices, specifically for deconsolidated shipments, please reach out to our friendly support team via chat, phone, or email. Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, click subscribe below, or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.